Hi students, today we are going to discuss chapter circles, exercise 17a, 10th question onwards. So 10th question, in the figure given below, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle BAD is equal to 75 degree, angle ABD is equal to 58 degree, angle ADC is equal to 77 degree. Find angle BDC, angle BCD, angle BCA. For that, consider triangle ABD. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, we can write angle ABD plus angle ABD plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. ADB we want to find out. Given angle ABD is 58 and angle DAB is equal to 75. So, substitute that values. Then we will get the value of angle ADB is equal to 47 degree. Angle ADC is equal to ADC. Total angle is 77 degree. Now we got angle ADB as 47 degree. First part of our question is we want to find out angle BDC. So how can we find angle BDC? So angle BDC will be 77 minus this 47 degree. So angle BDC is 30 degree. Then consider this angle A and angle C. These are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So that means angle DAB plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. We know angle DAB is equal to 75. So we can substitute that. So it will become angle DAB we can substitute as 75. So 75 plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. From the we will get it as angle DCB is equal to 180 minus 75, which is equal to 105. DCB is same as BCD also. So we can write that as BCD is equal to 105. Next we want to find angle BCA. BCA, BCA and BDA lies in the same segment AB. So we have already got angle BDA is equal to 47. That is here BDA is equal to 47. So since BDA is equal to 47, angle BCA will be 47. That is BCA will be 47. That is angles in the same segment are equal. Hence proved. Next question number 11. In the following figure, O is center of the circle and triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. We want to find out angle ADB and angle AEB. So given ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So all the angles will be 60 degree. That is this angle A, here B and here C. Each angle this will be 60 degree. That is angle ACB is 60 degree means we can write angle ADB also 60 degree since they lie on the same segment. That is ACB is 60 degree since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Since ACB is 60 degree, we can directly write angle ADB as 60 degree since angles in the same segment are equal. Next we want want to consider the cyclic quadrilateral A, E, B, D. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So consider these two angles, that is angle AEB and angle ADB. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. That is angle ADB plus angle AEB is equal to 180 degree. We got angle ADB as 60 degree from the first part. So substitute that. So we will get angle AEB as 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degree. Next question. Question number 12. Given angle CAB is equal to 75 degree and angle CBA is equal to 50 degree. Find the value of angle DAB plus angle ABD. So consider triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So given these two angles, we want to find the third angle, that is angle ACB. So for finding angle ACB, substitute the values of angle CBA and angle CAB. So we will get the value of angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 125 is equal to 55 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 55 degree. Since angle ACB is equal to 55 degree, angle ADB also will be 55, since angle ACB and ADB lies on the same segment. So angles in the same segment are equal. Then consider ADB. Here also sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle DAB plus angle ADB plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree. But we got angle ADB is equal to 55 degree. So substitute that angle ADB is equal to 55 degree. So remaining will be angle DAB plus angle ABD. That sum only we want to find out. So no need of substituting any values. No values are there. So angle ADB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 55, which is equal to 125 degree. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in a circle with the center O. If angle ADC is equal to 130 degree, find angle BAC. Question number 13. So, given ADC is equal to 130 degree. Also given O is the center. So, that means AB will be the diameter. AB will be the diameter of the circle. Since AB is the diameter, angle ACB will be 90 degree, since angles in a semicircle is a right angle. Then consider this quadrilateral ABCD, that is cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So we can write angle ABC plus angle ADC will be 180 degree. From our question, angle ADC is 130 degree. So substitute that angle ADC as 130 degree here. So it will become angle ABC plus 130 is equal to 180 degree. So we will get angle ABC is equal to 50 degree. Next consider triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So that is angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. From the first part we got ABC as 50 degree and already we proved angle ACB as 90 degree. So that too we want to substitute here. So we will get angle BAC. So 180 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degree. Angle BAC we will get it as 40 degree.